The fitness class. Mike wanted to get in better shape, so he joined a fitness class at the gym. On his first day, he was a bit nervous, but the instructor made him feel comfortable. During the class, he met Z-woman named Emma, who was friendly and gave him some tips on how to improve his form. Mike enjoyed exercising with others and felt more motivated. It is fun to work out with friends, Mike thought. After the class, Emma invited him to join a weekend running group. Mike felt excited and thankful for the new opportunity. The next week, he joined the group and made more friends. Mike realized that exercising was more enjoyable when he was part of a group. He felt healthier and happier with each workout, and looked forward to meeting new people in his fitness journey. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe for more English short stories.